bullets, and numbering. It's easy to turn an ordinary paragraph into a bulleted paragraph. PowerPoint does all the heavy lifting for you. You might have heard about this tool in Word or Excel. We are using it for the same purposes in PowerPoint 2007. Bullets and numbering allow you to organize text in lists. Bullets are useful for unordered lists in which each item is not significantly more important than others. Numbering is useful for lists in which each item is part of a sequence of steps and has to be followed in that order. Creating bulleted or numbered text is simple. To work with it, follow these steps. Select the text to which you want to add bullets or numbering. If you want to apply bullets to your list, go to a Home tab. In the paragraph group, click Bullets. Now you can see the output here. To number a list, in the paragraph group, click Numbering. The numbered lists are displayed on the page. That's all there is to using bullets and numbering. Adjusting list levels. Previously, we have discussed how to apply bullets and numbering, but we can also adjust the list levels. To do this, select the list in which you want to adjust the item levels. To move the selected item ahead one list level, go to the Home tab, move the mouse pointer to the paragraph group, and click the Increase List Level button. To move the selected item back one list level, in the paragraph group, click the Decrease List Level button. We can also change bullet styles. Select a text in which you want to change the bullet styles. Right-click the mouse over the selected text. Now you will see a pop-up menu. In that menu, select the Bullets option. A new pop-up will be displayed. You can pick your favorite bullet from that list, and the bullets in your selected text will change. We're now finished with changing the bullet style. I hope you enjoyed this lesson about working with bullets and numbering. Working with alignments. PowerPoint provides 4 ways of alignment. They are right alignment, left alignment, center, or justify, which means to align to both right and left margins. Here are the steps to change your paragraph alignment. Select the text to be formatted. Go to the Home tab. In the paragraph group, you can click the appropriate text alignment button. For instance, if you want to apply center alignment, click the Center button. Similarly, you can use the other alignment buttons whenever you need. You can add space between lines within a paragraph by adjusting the line spacing. You can adjust line spacing 2 different ways. One is using the line spacing tool, which is located in the paragraph group. Another way is by using the paragraph dialog box. Adjusting line spacing using the line spacing tool. Place the insertion point in the desired paragraph. Go to the Home tab. In the paragraph group, click the Line Spacing button. A gallery is displayed. From the gallery, choose the desired line spacing. Adjusting line spacing using the dialog box. Place the insertion point in the desired paragraph. Go to the Home tab. Move the mouse pointer to the paragraph group. Click Paragraph Quick Launcher arrow. The paragraph dialog box appears. From the Line Spacing pull-down menu, select the desired spacing, and finally, click OK. You can also use keyboard shortcuts for aligning a paragraph. To left align the paragraph, press Ctrl L. To center the paragraph, press Ctrl E. To right align the paragraph, press Ctrl R. To justify the paragraph, press Ctrl J. Spelling check. This is very useful when you want to proof your text. You can check for possible mistakes and then confirm each correction. Here I am going to tell you about spell check in a textual slide. To find and correct the misspelled words, open a new blank presentation and type RAD is my favorite color. Now you can see 3 red lines under Rad, Favorite, and Color. The red line indicates misspelled words. To correct these words, here is the solution. Go to the Review tab, move the mouse pointer around the proofing group, and click Spelling. The Spelling dialog box appears. In the dialog box, the first misspelled word found by the spell checker is selected. The Spelling dialog box shows many suggested words. To change the incorrect word, just pick one of the suggested words as you wish, and then click the Change button. Now Rad is changed to Red. In this way, you can easily make corrections to your presentation. In the Spelling dialog box, there are many other buttons available. When we type a new or a technical word, the spell checker marks it as a misspelled word. To avoid this, we can add this particular word to the dictionary, so that the spell checker will not recognize it as an incorrect word again. To do this, click the Add button. If you want to ignore the misspelled word and move on to the next misspelled word, click the Ignore button. To ignore all instances of this misspelled word and move on to the next misspelled word, click Ignore All.